Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. I hope everyone is fine. Children, are you ready for maths class? Yes, very good. So let's begin today's class. Now we learn the measurement of length, isn't it? Yes. Tell me, which are the standard units used to measure the length of things? Yes, centimeter and meter. We know centimeter is used to measure short length and meter is used to measure long length. So today let us learn about measurement of weight. There are a lot of things around us. Some things are heavy and some are light. For example, an ant is light but an elephant is heavy. A leaf is light but a tree is heavy. A spoon is light, a refrigerator is heavy. But what makes things are light or heavy? Yes, things are light or heavy due to their weight. What is weight? The weight of a thing tells us how heavy it is. All things have weight. Things that have more weight are heavier and things that have less weight are lighter. Do you know, children? Even air, which we cannot see, has weight. The heavier the object is, the greater is its weight. We can find out which object is heavier by using a balance. See children, this is a balance. This instrument is used to measure the weight of object, or this is used to compare the weights of two objects. See children, this instrument named as simple balance or balance, it has two pans and a pointer. When nothing is put on these pans, these remain in the same level. Tell me children, when we put some object on these pans, what will happen? The pan containing heavier object goes down and the pan containing lighter object goes up. In this picture, we can see a feather is placed on one pan and a book is placed on the other pan. Tell me children, which object is heavier? I told you the pan containing heavier object goes down and the pan containing lighter object goes up. So here we can say that book is heavier and feather is lighter. We can measure the weight of an object by comparing it with the weight of another object. What do you think when we place the things of equal weight at the pans? Yes, it stands straight. That is, the pans remains in the same level. You can say that when the pans remains in the same level, the objects have the same weight or the object have the equal weight. Let us understand this with examples. In this picture, we can see there are 3 mangoes on one pan and 5 oranges on the other pan. But here the pans remains in the same level. So we can say that the weight of 3 mangoes is equal to the weight of 5 oranges. Let us see one more example. This picture also, the pans remains in the same level. One pan containing 1 banana and the other pan containing 4 marbles. So we can say that the banana and 4 marbles have the same weight. Will a banana always weigh as much as 4 marbles? What happens if the banana is bigger or the marbles are smaller? If the banana is bigger, our measurements will not be the same. To find out how heavy an object is, we need a fixed standard unit that everyone can use. Otherwise, our measurements will not be the same. Children, gram and kilogram are the standard units used to measure weight. See, small letter g is the short form of gram and small letter kg is the short form of kilogram. Gram and kilogram are the standard units used to measure weight. For measuring the light objects such as a pencil, an eraser, a small packet of biscuits or chips, we use the standard unit gram. For measuring the heavier object like a packet of apples, a cat, a television, etc., we use the standard unit kilogram. G is the short form of gram and kg is the short form of kilogram. You know, children, a 1 rupee coin weighs about 5 gram. A medium-sized tomato weighs about 100 gram. And you know, children, a grown-up man weighs about 70 kilogram. And a 6 bananas weighs about 1 kilogram. That is, there are 1000 grams in a kilogram. You can say that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. That is, there are 1000 grams in a kilogram. I hope you have understood today's class. Today we have discussed about measurement of weight. We learned gram and kilogram are the standard units used to measure weight. Children, I have attached the notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. You have to write down the notes and do the exercise problems. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.